Hello and welcome to How to Play Yahtzee, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Yahtzee. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. The object of the game is to score the most points by rolling different dice combinations with 5 dice. A turn consists of up to 3 dice rolls. After the first roll, the player will decide which dice to keep, if any, and will roll the dice not kept. After the second roll, the player will again decide the dice to keep and the dice to roll again. After the third roll, the player must choose a box to score on the scorecard. There are 13 boxes to score, meaning each player will get 13 turns. The goal for the top 6 boxes is to roll as many specific numbers as possible. For example, when going for 6s, a player will keep any 6s rolled through 3 rolls of the dice. A player scores the total value of the specific numbers rolled for the top boxes. The goal for the bottom 7 boxes is to roll a specific combination of dice. The 3 of a kind is scored by adding up all 5 dice when at least 3 are the same number. The 4 of a kind is scored by adding up all 5 dice when at least 4 are the same number. A full house is the combination of a pair and a 3 of a kind, and 25 points are scored. A small straight is the combination of 4 numbers in a row and scores 30 points. A large straight is the combination of 5 numbers in a row and scores 40 points. A Yahtzee is all 5 dice with the same number and scores 50 points. The chance is the total of all 5 dice, no matter the combination. During a turn, a player can roll up to 3 times but can stop after the first or second roll if the desired combination has been rolled. If a player's top 6 boxes add up to 63 or more points, a bonus 35 points are scored. If a player does not get a desired combination after 3 rolls, he may need to X out a box and will get no points for that combination. A Yahtzee bonus is awarded to a player that gets more than 1 Yahtzee as long as the original Yahtzee is not X'd out. An additional Yahtzee is scored by checking a bonus Yahtzee box for 100 points and scoring an additional box. If the Yahtzee is made in an open top box number, it can be scored there. It can be scored in the 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, or chance box by adding up the total amount on the dice. It can be scored in the full house, small straight, or large straight by taking the amount for the combination. The player with the highest total point value at the end of the game wins. That wraps up How to Play Yahtzee. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.